How to fix Instagram app not working on cellular data on iOS 18. So if you want to fix Instagram app not working on your cellular data on your iOS, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your Instagram app won't work. The next thing you need to do is go with your control center. From your control center, you need to just go and turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your settings. From your settings, you need to go with mobile. Make sure that your mobile data is turned on, or make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Now you need to scroll down, and here you will have Instagram option, right? Make sure that the toggle for Instagram is turned on. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is update the application. So open up your app store. From your app store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, you need to go with update if you have any updates. Tap on update, and after updating to the latest version, your problem might be fixed. You need to just go and restart your device, and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.